So this morning, I started at Psalms 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth.
Very good.
And Psalm 122:1. I was glad when they said to me, let us go to the house of the Lord. Now stand, we'll sing welcome.